here today to demonstrate your 3-group La San Marco espresso machine. So first things first, we'll show you how the groups operate. It's a semi-automatic machine, so you pull this lever and watch your espresso brew. There's your first group. Here's your second group. And here's the third group. We'll show you your 2 steam knobs and how they work. You simply press this lever down. Got one more steam knob over here. And your hot water. Press this lever right here. And there we go. I hope you enjoy your 3-group La San Marco espresso machine.